Good afternoon to all. Honorable Justice Kotiswar Singh, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice M.R. Mahadevan, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice Mahendra Mohan Srivastava, Chief Judge, Madras High Court. Dr. Aishari Ganesh, Founder, Chancellor, VELS University. My dear students, colleagues, and members of the legal fraternity, my brothers and sisters, judge in the bar, in the bench. It is a privilege to stand before such a vibrant gathering of young and aspiring lawyers, not merely as a judge, but as someone who has walked the path as advocate for 25 years. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the School of Law, VELS University, on the Decennial year celebration. Indeed, it is a milestone worth celebration. Today, I have been asked to share my thoughts on building a meaningful and principled legal career. The practice of law is not merely a profession, it is a noble calling. It is shaped by values you uphold, the skills you hone, and the relationship you nurture throughout your journey, and an unwavering commitment to justice. To build a successful legal career, I will share my thoughts on how young lawyers should lead a meaningful and principled way of life. Firstly, let your practice be rooted in purpose, as Justice P.N. Bhagavati once said, "Government alone will never be able to do it. It is only the people themselves who must utilize law for the purpose of bringing justice at the doorstep of the large masses of the people of the country." Your role as lawyer is not confined to courtrooms. You are interpreters of justice, translators of rights, and sometimes the only bridge between law and the lives it seeks to protect. Whether you represent a multinational company or a tribal community, ask yourself a question. Is my work making justice more accessible? For your practice to be rooted, you all should build integrity and you all should work hard to bring justice. The foundation of a principled career lies in your honesty and integrity. Integrity is the bedrock of legal practice. Remember, your reputation is your greatest asset. Cases may come and go, but the trust you build with your clients, colleagues, and the court will define your journey. Never compromise on truth for short-term gains. Clients, courts, and society expect you to champion justice and act with unwavering professionalism. These standards do not just protect your reputation, they build lasting trust with those you serve. There is no substitute for preparation. Read your briefs thoroughly, know your facts better than anyone else, and master the law that applies. A disciplined lawyer earns the respect of the bench and confidence of the clients. Secondly, embrace continuous learning, as said by Fali Nariman. He emphasized lifelong learning. He said, "Becoming an advocate means committing to lifelong education in law. The law is vast, and no one ever truly finishes learning it. So read daily, develop your knowledge, and argue wisely, but stay humble. And remember that humility is not the absence of knowledge, it is the presence of wisdom. The end of formal education is just the beginning. Law evolves constantly, and most successful lawyers are lifelong learners. Stay updated on legal developments, emerging fields, seek feedback, and never believe that you know it all. Be open to learning from your seniors, peers, and most importantly, your own experience. As young lawyers, make it a habit to read judgments daily, study landmark cases, and keep yourself updated with legislative changes. A lawyer who stops learning stops growing. Thirdly, let ethics be your compass. In your legal journey, you will face choices, some subtle, some stark. Choose the path that upholds the dignity, Do not compromise your conscience for convenience. Your reputation will be built not just on your wins, but on your conduct. Always maintain decorum in court. Your conduct reflects not only on yourself, but on the entire profession. Respect for seniors, peers, and even opponents is essential. Advocacy is not about winning at any cost, but about assisting in the delivery of justice. There will be temptations and pressures along the way, but a principled lawyer must have the courage to say no when asked to compromise on ethics, uphold constitutional values, even it seems difficult in the moment. Develop core skills like communication and diligence and build bridges, not walls. Master the language of law, become an effective communicator both in writing and speech. Precision, clarity, and persuasion are the vital for advocacy. Be diligent and thoroughly examine the case files meticulously and prepare tirelessly for every client and case. Reliability, discipline will set you apart as a dependable profession. Former Chief Justice, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, in a landmark judgment wrote, dignity and right of individuals cannot be based on algorithms or probabilities. In an age of technology and artificial intelligence, remember that law is still about people. Behind every case is a human story of rights, liberty, dignity, or livelihood. Approach each matter with empathy. Take up pro bono cases whenever you can. Service to the underprivileged will give deeper meaning to your career. Be culturally sensitive, be linguistically inclusive. In Tamil Nadu, we have a rich tradition of legal advocacy that is deeply rooted in language and compassion. Honor that. Lastly, and the most important thing, to find meaning beyond metrics. A meaningful career is not measured only by income or fame. It is measured by impact, by the lives you touch, by the injustice you help correct. Never lose sight of your broader societal responsibility. Use your legal knowledge not only for personal success, but to promote fairness, public service, and access to justice. Change is the only constant in law. Adaptability, whether in face of shifting legal landscape, new technologies, or unexpected career paths, will ensure your growth. Challenge and setbacks are inevitable, but perseverance and a strong support system will see you through tough times. Balance ambition with humility and success will follow. Let me share with you a legal example that emphasizes on serving the law rather than being persuaded by popular opinion. We all know in 1959, the courtroom was crippled by the K.M. Nanavati and state of Maharashtra, wherein a naval officer who shot his wife's lover. The public sympathized with Nanavati and the jury acquitted him. But Ram Jethmalani, then a young advocate, challenged the verdict, arguing that public sentiment had clouded legal reasoning. His cross-examination exposed inconsistencies and the High Court overruled the jury decision. This case led to the abolition of the jury system in India. Jethmalani fearless advocacy showed that an advocate must serve the law and not popularity. Thus, by this one case, turned the legal system itself topsy, and this jury system was taken away. 1973, Code of Criminal Procedure had taken away the jury system. Finally, remember that law is demanding profession, but do not lose yourself in it. Nurture your health, your family, your personal passion. A balanced life will give the strength to serve with greater dedication. As a judge, I do not look for flamboyance. I look for preparation, respect, and clarity. I look for lawyers who understand that persuasion is not aggression and that civility is not weakness. To the young lawyers here today, you are the future of justice. You will shape jurisprudence, policy, and public trust. So build your career not just with brilliance, but with balance, not just with ambition, but with empathy. Let your practice be rigorous, let your conscience be clear, and let your legacy be one that inspires others to believe in the law not just as a system but as a source of hope. My young friends, the journey ahead will not be easy. There will be long hours, setbacks, moments of self-doubt. But if you walk the path of integrity, hard work, and service, you will not only build a successful career, but also a meaningful one. We all know this legal profession is the only profession, as good as I know, that has been recognized even in your legal right and legal profession has been recognized in the Constitution. You can go to Article 22(1), wherein in Constitution it says that no person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informed as soon as may be of the grounds for such arrest, nor shall he be denied the right to consult and to be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. This special status is given only to legal practitioners. This all we have to cherish. We have to know that our rights as a legal practitioner has been embodied and it is in the Constitution which we have to follow, and we should be happy and proud to say that I am an advocate. Like the Chancellor was telling previously, what in our days, in our college days, law colleges were very few and mostly in government colleges, and that too in a creaky and a dilapidated building it will be there. The interaction of the law students with the bench will be very, very few, and at most the visiting senior advocates as part-time lecturers, we have to have through them we'll come to know about what is happening in the courts and how judges look at it. And our days, moot court was also only a formal thing, but now I could say that after mushrooming and bringing of lot of private colleges, we could see this moot court and real court trials, everything have been conducted and training has been given. And I could say surely that after this type of syllabus, the drafting and presentation has become very easy, very good. And the day one when they enter the profession, they are with good drafting and petitions are there. But that is not sufficient. Though you have to have moot court and other things, you have to get yourself exposed. But I visited a lot of colleges, government colleges and private colleges in moot courts. I could convincingly and comfortably say that your college has got very good infrastructure, and I also witnessed as a moot court judge here, your college student, your students doing it successfully. Hats off to your faculty members who have done the excellent job, and equally the students participating in it. And in your college, this auditorium, playground facility, infrastructure facility are well given. Are provided much more than what is normally there in the law colleges. Make use good of it. Make use the library and go and earn knowledge, and also impart this, and also get inculcated with your conviction and continuation. In this profession, take it from me, on the day one, immediately you will not get money, and the returns will not be proportionate. So first, after completing the law, initial 3 years or 5 years will be a very difficult time. You have to overcome. Join a senior, and don't unless you join the senior and any number of people can teach you how to swim, but unless you get into the water, you will not know the swimming. So get into a senior's office, get trained, and thereafter continue the profession. Initial period, if you are able to sustain, you can sustain throughout the profession. Initially, hard work, less money. Thereafter, money, hard work and money. And when you gain your recognition, when you reach heights, it is less work, more money. And till the last day of your breath, you can practice this profession. All the best. Thank you.